What if our solar system isn't just the neat, peaceful neighborhood NASA shows us? What if out there in the freezing dark, there is a giant, rogue world trapped on an ancient leash? A planet that takes 3,600 years to complete just one single loop around our sun. According to ancient cuneiform texts, it's real, and its return doesn't just change the calendar, it resets the entire world. To understand this mysterious world called Nibiru, we have to look at how the ancient Sumerians kept time over 5,000 years ago. While Earth has a quick, cozy 365-day year, Nibiru follows a massive, stretched-out cometary path. For thousands of years, it drifts far out beyond Pluto into total darkness, freezing and slowing down. But then, it turns around and charges back toward the inner planets. The Sumerians called one single loop a shah, equal to 3,600 Earth years. Think about that for a second. Entire human civilizations rise, conquer, and turn to dust, while Nibiru is still out in the deep dark, making its slow crawl back home. And get this, the Sumerians built their entire math system on base 60, meaning 60 minutes in an hour, 360 degrees in a circle, scaling right up to 3,600. Was their math literally modeled after the clockwork of the solar system? Modern science tells us the asteroid belt is just leftover space dust from a planet that never formed. But the oldest texts on Earth tell a much more violent story. According to the ancient Enuma Elish creation epic, when Nibiru makes its deep plunge into the inner solar system, its path cuts right through a primordial watery world named Tiamat. The texts describe a cataclysmic cosmic crash. Tiamat is shattered in half, one piece becoming the hammered bracelet, which we call the asteroid belt today, and the other half pushed into a new orbit to become our home, Earth. Every time Nibiru returns, its massive gravity shakes up the entire planetary neighborhood, pulling at comets and sending shockwaves through the solar system. This sounds like pure science fiction until you look at human history and geology. Is there any evidence of a repeating cycle every few thousand years? Look back roughly 3,600 years ago. You hit the Bronze Age collapse and the massive Thera volcanic eruption that wiped out advanced Mediterranean civilizations overnight. Go back another 3,600 years before that. You hit the exact dawn of Sumerian civilization, where writing, astronomy, and complex cities suddenly exploded out of nowhere. Climatologists even track sudden, brutal global cooling events like the Peora Oscillation that turned green lands into deserts at regular multi-millennial intervals. Are these just random disasters or the footprint of something passing through? We measure our entire lives by a 365-day calendar, assuming our place in the universe is safe and unchanging. But the ancient builders of Mesopotamia left behind a warning that history isn't a straight line. It's a repeating cycle. If a world out there takes 36 centuries to complete a single trip around our sun, and its return marks the birth and death of ages, where does that leave us on the timeline? What do you think? Is Nibiru just an ancient myth or a hidden clock ticking down in the dark? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more lost history.